Imagine this. One day, you stop replying, you stop scrolling, you stop wasting time on people who don't even care you exist. You disappear for 90 days. No warnings, no explanations. You just go silent. And the world reacts in ways you never expected. First 10 days. At first, nobody notices. Why? Because you've trained everyone to believe you're always available. You reply instantly. You say yes to everything. You pick up every call. So when you go quiet, no one panics, and that hurts. But it wakes you up. You finally understand. People value you only when you value yourself first. Day 20. Slowly, things change. People start wondering, where did he go? Why isn't he replying? Is he busy? Is he improving? Curiosity replaces ignorance, because when you stop chasing people, they start noticing your absence. Day 40. Now, the shift begins. You've been waking up early, working out, studying, building skills. You're not the same person anymore. Your phone notification doesn't control you. Your cravings don't control you. Your overthinking doesn't control you. You start liking the silence. You start respecting yourself. You start seeing progress, and that's when confidence begins. Not the fake Instagram confidence, but the real kind, earned in solitude. Day 60. People who used to ignore you, they try coming back. Bro, where are you? Come hang out. We miss you, not because they love you, but because they're confused. You broke the pattern. You're no longer predictable. You're no longer the always available guy. And humans fear one thing the most: losing control over you. Day 75. Your body changes. Your mindset changes. You look different. Your eyes have focus. Your voice has bass. Your walk has purpose. Nobody knows what you're doing, but everyone can feel something has changed. Day 90. You return. Not the guy who begged for attention. Not the guy who chased people. Not the guy who lived for validation. You return as someone who built himself. And now, people don't treat you better because you changed. They treat you better because you changed how you treat yourself. That is the power of disappearing.